Hello guys, welcome to Amith.Thoughts. In this video, I will see how you can easily create a table in MySQL. Let's start. First, MySQL type space -v space root space -v. Press enter, password enter, press enter. So databases, not a database create a database amitdb and create a amitdb and use amitdb and next typing create table employee bracket open and press enter. Employee id int space bracket open 30 bracket close and comma and press enter. Employee name employee name space varchar space bracket open 30 bracket close comma press enter. Employee age space int space bracket open 30 bracket close comma press enter. Employee department varchar space bracket open 30 bracket close no comma and press enter bracket close semicolon and press enter. Desc employee Desc employee Desc comma and press enter. Table create employee id employee name employee age employee department.